How's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Down here at Pike Run today. Going to take a few casts, do a little small creek fishing. Gonna throw around that old Berkley power bait trout worm, see what we can catch. Was going to head over to one of the bigger creeks near here, but a lot of rain the last couple days. It's up high and muddy. But this creek here, although it's up a little bit, it's still fairly clear. I think we can catch something. Oh, there we go. Didn't take very long ago. Oh, falling down the bank. Oh, what did we get? Hey, well, we somehow managed to snag him in the back of the head, but we got us a little rainbow trout. There he is. I seen him come up and swipe at it. I don't know how he got hooked back there. Let's put him back. Just realized something. Missed the last two eyelets on my pole there. That's kind of funny. Still managed to catch a trout. Let me fix that. Nope, that's not gonna fit through there. Arrgh. That's better. Oh! Didn't take very long there. Little smallie. Oh yeah. There we go. Of course, now it's going to start to rain a little bit. That's all right. There he is. Yeah, put him back. Yeah, they're calling for thunderstorms off and on all day. Oh, there we got another one. Oh, another trout. That's a nice looking one. Nice rainbow. A little bigger than the other one. Got this one in the mouth. Easy, pal. Oh, there he is. Pretty rainbow. There he is. Let's put him back. What do we get? Oh, a little smallmouth. Oh. There he goes. This little guy. There we got one. What did we get? Oh yeah. Old Mr. Rock Bass. Easy now. He's a nice one. Oh. Oh. There he goes. There's a little rock bass. Pretty little guy. Let's put him back. Oh. And another rock bass. This creek's loaded with these guys. Put them back. There we got something. Hey. Our little smallmouth. Put them back. There we go. There we got another little trout. Oh, easy, pal. Little rainbow. That's another little rainbow. Let's put them back. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice rock bass. That's a good one. Let's put them back. What did we get? Oh, big old trout. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's no trout, that's a smallie. Thought he was pulling a little hard for a trout. Nice smallmouth for this little creek. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. That's the king of the creek right there. That little trout worm. Let's put him back. Another rock bass. Good looking guy. Put him back. There we go. Another one of them crazy rock bass. Oh yeah. Chunky guy. Look at him. Let's put him back. Little green sunfish. Put him back. Oh, there we got one. Oh, another nice smallie. Oh yeah. Oh, he got off. That's all right. We'll catch another one. All right, so I fished this part of the creek before, and I did catch a few fish, but I'm gonna go try something new. I'm gonna head on through this tunnel. Never fished up above here before. There we got an old green sunfish. And little guys are everywhere. What did we get there? Oh my. Little smallmouth. Oh yeah. Pretty little guy. Look how long and skinny he is. Let's put them back. There we go. Now we got us a creek chub. Yeah, it's looking really shallow up through here. I'm gonna go just a little further and then head on back to the car. Yeah, the further we go, the smaller the fish are getting. Yep. They're getting really small now. Now this looks like a fishy spot. Starting to get dark out. And it's way too early to be getting dark already. I can hear the thunder. I think we got a storm rolling in here soon. Take a few more casts and we're gonna get on out of here. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice little smallmouth. There we go. I guess that made that walk up here all worth it. Nice little guy. Let's put him back. Well, no real giants, but we did catch some nice smallmouth, some nice trout, some nice rock bass, a couple creek chubs. Oh, and that trout worm, trout magnet jig head. Here comes the rain. I'm gonna get on out of here. Nice cast where we started. And one last little smallie in the pouring down rain. Let's put them back and get out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.